In this video, I'm going to show you what happens when you delete a transaction in Monarch Money and how to recover it. Let's get started. In Monarch Money, there is no trash or undo feature for deleted transactions. Once you delete a transaction, it is permanently removed from your data and cannot be restored directly in the app. If you accidentally delete one, your best option is to contact support as soon as possible through help and support at the bottom left and submit a request. In some cases, they may be able to recover recent data, but it is not guaranteed. If the transaction was synced from your bank, it might reappear automatically the next time your account updates, especially if it has not been fully cleared yet. You can also manually recreate the transaction by going to Transactions and selecting Add Transaction. Just match the date, amount, and merchant details. To avoid this issue, it is better to hide transactions instead of deleting them, since hidden items can be restored anytime. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.